Christian Chambers back here again, giving you another Arduino tutorial. This evening we will be making circuit 4 from the Arduino handbook or the starter kit guide. So as you can see, we have all of the materials gathered here. We have the board already set up. The program is already loaded. And we have 10 wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 8 330 ohm resistors, as well as 8 LEDs. First thing we're going to do is hook up the LEDs. As you can see, the handbook tells us where to hook everything up with. So we're going to start with C2, C3. So as you see, the positive part or the longer part goes in C2 and the other end goes in C3, and the same for all of these. The positive part, the longer part goes into the positive side. Okay. C2, C3. All right. Next is C5, C6. C5, C6.
Next is C8, C9. Followed by C11, C12. Then we have C14, C15. Just make sure this one is right. Looked a little twisted. C17, C18. C20, C21. And finally, C23, C24.
Next, we have the resistors. So we're going to put this in a positive spot as well as A3.
All right, there we go. Next is A6 in another positive spot. There you have it. A9 in another positive spot. This resistor is hooked up.
Next resistor, we're going to hook up to A12 and a positive spot. Resistor number 5 is going in A15. Like so. Resistor number 6, A18. Resistor number 7, A21, and a negative, my bad, negative. I've been saying positive the whole time, it's negative. Negative spot is the blue. But A21 and a negative. Last resistor, A24 and a positive and a negative. Alrighty. Now we hook up the wires. We're going to start with the positive and negative spots, which are right here. So we're going to get a red wire, try to follow the diagram as accurately as possible so that anyone watching this video can replicate these steps. So first what we're going to do, hook this up to the positive spot down at the bottom. And then this goes into 5V. There we go. Next one, negative spot and the top G and D. There we go. Now we have E23 and spot number 9. E23 and spot number 9. E23. All right. Spot number 9. Oh. First resistor. First LED. Now E20 and pin 8. I'm going to use this short red one since it's real close. Let me look at this again. E20 and pin 8. E20 is right here if you can see it. E20 and pin 8. Next is E17 and pin 7. So E17 is going to be a longer one. No. Yeah. It's going to be a longer one. I'm going to use a longer one for this one.
What was E17, pin 7, E17, E17, pin 7.
Matter of fact, I think I want to switch this. Take this one out.
E17, pin 7.
Next one, E14, pin 6.
E14, pin 6, pin 6.
Next one, E11, pin 5. E11, pin 5.
And pin 5, there we go. It's a stubborn thing, isn't it?
Here we go. Alright. E8, pin 4.
8. See if you can get a good visual on that. It's E8 right here. And then we got pin 4. Pin 4.
Pin 4. E5, pin 3.
See if we can get that going. E5, pin 3.
Alrighty. And last but not least, E2, pin 2. Guess it was a smart idea to use the longer ones for the end. Alright, and that is done. We're going to try it with the computer on now. It says to make sure that you connect the resistor to where the short one is. I did do that. Alright. So why is this one working and the other ones are not? Oh well. Let's see what the code is. Oh, that's probably it. Because it's still programmed from circuit 3. It's only programmed for 1 to work. Let's try uploading this. Alright, so the code is finished uploading. Now to verify it. It's finished verifying, and now to upload it to the circuit. See what happens. Whoa! Look at this. Whoa. Oh, wow. This is cool. This is cool. I feel like I just accomplished something. This has been my tutorial. Thank you.